If you're thinking about buying a home, your primary focus should be on your own financial situation. Here's 3 questions to determine whether or not now is the right time for you to buy a home. Number 1, do you have a stable job? If you're getting a new monthly mortgage payment, you will rest easier knowing your employment is secure. Number 2, have you figured out what you can afford? What you qualify for is sometimes more than what you can actually afford. Be sure to consider things like down payment, utilities, HOA fees, and maintenance and repairs. Number 3, how long do you plan to live there? Don't count on the explosive growth of the last few years continuing. You will probably need a few years to overcome the cost of buying and selling a home. If you're only going to be there for a short time, be careful and get wise counsel. If you're ready to become a homeowner right now, or just want to figure out the unique timing for your situation, give us a call or send us a text on our real estate hotline and we'll help you out.